Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Counter-Strike 2 on Steam. First, ensure you have the Steam client installed on your computer. Once Steam is ready, navigate to the store page and search for Counter-Strike 2. It's a free-to-play title, so simply click Play Game to begin the installation process. The game requires approximately 85 gigabytes of disk space, so make sure you have enough room. After installation, launch it from your Steam library. Counter-Strike 2 involves two teams, terrorists and counter-terrorists, competing in objective-based rounds. Your primary goal is to eliminate the opposing team or complete a specific mission, like planting or defusing a bomb. Movement is controlled by the WASD keys, while your mouse handles aiming and shooting. At the beginning of each round, you'll have a brief period to purchase weapons, armor, and utility items using in-game currency earned from previous rounds. Effective teamwork is crucial in Counter-Strike 2. Utilize voice chat or text to communicate enemy positions, strategies, and intentions with your teammates. Familiarize yourself with the different map layouts and common callouts. This knowledge provides a significant tactical edge. Additionally, dedicate time to practicing recoil control for your preferred weapons. Each weapon has a unique spray pattern, and mastering it will dramatically improve your accuracy and overall performance in engagements. Counter-Strike 2 offers several game modes to suit different playstyles. Competitive mode is a 5 versus 5 match with a ranking system, while casual offers a more relaxed experience. Deathmatch is excellent for practicing gunplay. As you play, you'll earn experience points, contributing to your profile rank. You can also unlock and customize your weapon skins, stickers, and agent characters, adding a personal touch to your in-game appearance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.